Hi Tommy, hi Poppy. I hope you're tuning into this video. I'm doing this video just for you guys. I'm very sad not to be seeing you both back in class, but we will just crack on as normal via video, and hopefully it won't be too long until we're back in the classroom together. Okay, this is your maths lesson for today. So what you will need is a pencil, a piece of paper to do some working out on, just like you would on your whiteboard in the classroom, and something else that you need to go and get now is 7 of the same thing. So you might choose to go and get 7 toy cars. You might choose to go and get 7 pencils. You might choose 7 spoons. Something you can get 7 of. Not 7, 6, Miss Palmer, 6. 6 toy cars, 6 spoons, 6 cuddly toys, whatever you like, 6 of. I have chosen to get 6 pens, and that's going to help us with our math lesson today. So if you pause the video and go and get 6 of something, but they all need to be the same. Okay, do that now, pause and go and get 6, okay? Right, I hope that you've got your 6 things. As I said, I have pens. So what we're going to do in today's maths lesson is we're just going to recap some of the things that we were working on way back before Christmas. Okay, we're just going to look over a few things just to remind ourselves of some of the key skills that's going to help us in our maths when things get a little bit more tricky later on, and we'll just make sure that we can remember them. So I've got my 6 things here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of them over here. You won't be able to see, I don't think. Some of them here and some of them here. I've separated them up. So I still have 6, but I've split them up into 2 different amounts. If you can see on this side, I have 3. And on this side, I also have 3. So that means that 3 plus another 3 must equal my 6. 6. Because I haven't changed the number of pens, all I've done is just break them apart a little bit. Split them up, partition them, okay? So I'm going to write that on my board now. I just need to get my pen. Okay, got a squeaky chair. 3 add 3 equals 6. I can gather together my 6 again. This time I'm going to break them up, I'm going to partition them, pull them apart from one another in a different way. So I'm going to put that many, oh you can't see, that many over there, and I'm going to put this one over here. I still have 6, but this time, what is my addition calculation going to be? So I've got something, add something, still equals 6. I haven't changed the amount of pens I have. So, how many is there? 1, exactly. So 1. And then how many is over here? I don't know if you can see how many I have there. What's the second number? It is indeed 5. So 1 plus 5 equals 6. Now, I wonder if there's another way. If I put my 6 back together, I wonder if there's another way that I could split them apart. Let's see. So I've put 3 already. I've put 1 already. Perhaps I could put 2 on this side. If I choose 2, put them there, and then I'll put the rest on this side. Just like that. Put 2 here this time and some over there. Right, and then we're going to have something plus something equals 6. Let's see, how many did I say that I put on this side? 2. So 2 would go in there. I'm going to write that now. And then all that's left to do is to count how many I've split these into on this side. I hope you're doing this with your objects too. And let's see, 4 left on that side. So 2 add 4 must equal 6. Does that make sense? So, is there a different way? What I want you to do is on your piece of paper, see if you can fill in these gaps. Take your 6 items and see if you can split them in your own way. I don't mind how many you put on this side and how many you put on this side. See, take your items and split them apart and see what you write. Pause the video for a moment and do that now. Okay? Did you do it? Good. Okay. So, now I'm going to set you free to do your maths task today. It's very, very similar to this, but in your questions on your sheet, it says you need 5. So the easiest way to do that is with your objects that you have, just get rid of 1 and then you're left with 5, okay? And then you can work out your answers on your sheet, okay? Have a go at part 1. And if you're feeling extra brainy and you're up for a challenge, then do have a go at the next part. But what you must do, what I'd really like it if you could do for me, is right at the bottom of the learning of the sheet, if you go all the way down, you will have a section. It says green, amber, red. And you need to put your name next to the colour to indicate to me how tough this lesson was for you. So if you thought, oh, Miss Palmer, this is really easy, I could do all of these, you need to write your name next to green. If you found it a little bit tricky but okay as well, you can put your name next to amber. And if you found it really, really challenging, that's okay. You've tried it though, you've had a go and you stayed positive. Put your name next to red if it was quite tricky today, okay? That just helps me figure out what we can do tomorrow and what we need to go back and remember from before Christmas, okay? Send me in your work, I look forward to seeing it, and I will see you again for maths video tomorrow. Bye guys.